Hello guys, welcome to Tech with Rohit. In this video, I have come up with the latest technology news from today's headlines. The first news is Oppo K9 5G confirmed to come with Snapdragon 768G. Next news from Samsung Galaxy A22 5G appears on Geekbench with Dimensity 700 processor. Next news from Redmi K40 gaming to have OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. Next news from Oppo A53s 5G with Dimensity 700 coming to India on April 27 for under 15,000. Next news from Asus Zenfone 8 with Snapdragon 888 and 8GB RAM spotted on Geekbench. Next news from Realme 8 Pro in yellow to arrive on sale on April 26. These were some news from the tech world. If you find this video informative, like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update.